Okay, here we are. I'm going to make the handle. Okay, so sketch, and I want to sketch. Oh, so I'm already looking at that in one of the Y planes. Okay, and if you look at my presentation, you can see we're trying to make revolving the cross section, but we want half of that half. So we're on half the cross section of the handle. We're going to revolve it, and then we're going to mirror it. Okay, so that'll make sense as we go along. Okay, so let's see. So we're in the sketch mode. We're going to use the line. Okay, this will go over 0.625. Okay, go up 0.25. Okay, over 0.25. Okay, and that's it for now. So escape. Okay, and kind of give you an idea of the next step. We're drawing the arc. Okay, and we want to draw this arc here basically. Okay, but we go up 1.5625 and only over 0.125, which is the difference between 0.5 and 0.375. Okay, so this will make sense as we go along. But up 1.5625. Okay, over 0.125. Perfect. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to create the Ark Sketch arc, and this is an exact approximate shape of it. Okay. Don't want to go in over here, obviously. Hold on, let me zoom in a little better. And around a little bit. Gotcha. There we go. Okay, now we have the arc. Okay, let's see what the plan is here. Okay, so I'm first going to delete this and this. Okay, then we want to make the groove, so we need the depth of the groove shown. Okay, so what we're going to do is go sketch, offset, and go inside negative 0.12. That work? No. 0.125. Hey, good morning. How are you? So, then hit OK, and now we have the offset. So we're going to make the grooves of the handle with that. It's kind of based on that. Okay. We need to trim some of these lines if it allows us. Get that. Delete. We don't want to do that yet. Okay. So now, what we're going to do here is draw where they are. So for the first groove. So if you look, the first groove is 0.25 up. So we're going to draw a line 0.25 up. And this will make sense as we go along. But just kind of bear with me. So sketch. Okay, starting from here is 0.125 up from the handle. 0.25. Okay, and then now that we have that, we just need to draw any rectangle that has a height of, I think it's 0.125. Okay, so we get a rectangle. 0.125. Okay, it can be any dimension. Okay, just kind of bear with me here. Let's see what's going down in a sec. Okay, and do the same process, except now we're going up 0.5. So we get line here, 0.5. Okay, and then now create a rectangle. The height of the rectangle again is 0.125 because that's the height of the groove I measured. Okay, bam. Okay. Now we've got to go up again. We're going up 0.5 again. Okay. Okay. And the last rectangle, as you notice, it's only half because we're mirroring. It's only 0.0625. Cool. So now we have this, and now we just need to trim, delete, delete, delete. Okay. We haven't used the trim feature yet, and it's a little different in Fusion than what I'm used to, so bear with me here, but I'm just deleting lines here. Okay. Okay. So we want to delete that one. And we want to delete that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. That one. That one. That one. Hopefully you see what I'm doing now to make it a little more sense. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay. Okay, and the last thing to be in order to revolve is you need it to be a closed shape. Okay, yeah. Now before we revolve, you can either fillet the 3D or fillet the 2D. I'm just going to need the fillet the 2D, so the sketch. So go here, okay, go fillet, okay, here, and here you have to click the two sides and type in, I want 0.05, okay, do all the outside ones is 0.05, so let's, you can do all at once, let's see, bam, 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 oh, nope, look at that, 0.05, okay, here, okay, then last, and that's that, okay? So we got those groups done, okay? And then I'm going to do all the interior ones at 0.062, okay, which is about half of 0.125, so it's going to make a round interior. So fillet again, so that one, 0.062, okay, that one, 0.062, okay, that one, oh, we're rolling now, that one, that didn't work, Control Z, what just happened? Okay, yeah, make that one a little smaller, that's weird, that one, 0.062, what's happening? Okay, let's just bear with it for now. Created like, zoom out, let's see what happened here. Whoa, delayed the whole thing, let's delete that. Zoom in again. That looks weird. Okay, so we're moving on. Yeah, we want to do the last two ones we're missing, so this one, 0.62. Oh, didn't like that. I made it not. Let's make it a little smaller. Sometimes you might have to change because once again, because it wasn't pink, it was no longer a profile that we could use. It wasn't closed, which is weird to think in that situation. Okay, I'm gonna pan down here. Gotta do this guy. This one. Ooh, I don't want 0.1 for that. I really wanted that though. Fillet. 0.162. Okay, and then we go this last two, and we just want that to be around edge, so it's going to be 0.25. 0.125 and 0.125 for this one. 0.125. 0.125. Hit enter. Now we got round edges, okay? Cool. So now we hit stop sketch, and then hope that this works. Then we go create, evolve, click it, and axis. This is this one. Okay, and bam, there we go. Okay, so now we have this pretty dope handle. Okay, we're moving along. I'm going to show you how to mirror. Okay, so go create, mirror, click the whole. You won't want a face, you want a body. Go body, mirror plane is obviously here. Bam, hit OK. Now we have two bodies, probably from this, right? Yep, body one, body two. Okay, let's go back to that option. So let's go here. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to want to create a component from this and this. Okay, create components from bodies. And now we have, I wanted one, so hold on. We'll deal with the whole first, okay? Okay, so now we're going to have to drill the hole, so sketch up top. Okay. Sketch a circle. 7-point diameter. Okay. 1.5. Enter. Stop sketch. Create extrude. Click. Click distance. Negative 3.52. Okay, so it doesn't go all the way to the end, but it goes mostly to the end. Okay, almost done now. Okay, we want to combine. Okay, to make it into one body. Okay, so this is what I was trying to do earlier, but I wasn't doing a good job of it. So click modify, combine. Okay, target body here. Select that. Okay, hit join. Bam. Now we have one body. Right click it, create component from bodies. Now we have one component. Okay. And if you want to change colors instead of materials, sometimes you just want to make it look good, hit appearance. Okay. Let's see. What we got? Plastic. Texture. There was no green. Paint. You just want to paint it smooth. Perfect. And there we go. We got a handle. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed this great tutorial. I haven't had coffee yet today. About to go get some. Okay, but this is how it's done. Okay, that's how I made my handle. Obviously, there's different ways to do it, but that's how I thought through it.